Hello everyone. Today I bring you breaking news and analysis from South Sudan. We are going to talk about three big stories. Number one, UN peacekeepers were attacked in western Equatoria. Secondly, we are going to talk about a new military alliance between opposition leaders has been confirmed. Thirdly, we are going to talk about the international community. They are still calling for the release of Dr. Machar. Let us start with the first story. On Wednesday, United Nations peacekeepers were ambushed in western Equatorial State. According to report from the UN mission in South Sudan, known as UNMISS, the attack happened between the town of Tambura and Mampus. These areas have already suffered many clashes before. Accordingly, the peacekeepers were on a normal patrol when army men suddenly attacked them. The attacker stole some weapon and bullets before escaping. The good news is this: no peacekeepers were injured and all of them returned safely to their bases. The spokesperson for the UNMISS, Priyanka Chaudhuri, said very clearly, peacekeepers are in South Sudan to protect civilians. They must not be attacked, and those who attack them must know that this can be called a war crime under international law. UNMISS not named the group that carried out the attack, but the mission promised to continue a strong patrol, especially in western Equatoria, where people are still living in fear. This story reminds us that the security in South Sudan is still fragile. Even international peacekeepers who are here to keep civilians safe are not spared from attack. For the ordinary peace in Tambura and Mampuse, this means life continues to be uncertain. Families want peace, but guns are still speaking louder. Now let us turn to politics. According to the information, General Thomas Cirillo, leader of the National Salvation Front, also known as NAS, confirmed that his group has formed a new military alliance with SPLA-IO under Dr. Riek Machar. General Thomas Cirillo and SPLA-IO are now under the leadership of, acting chairman Oyen Nathaniel, and agreed that they should form alliance so that they can work together. SPLIO is now under the leadership of acting chairman Oyen Nathaniel Oyet, because first Vice President Dr. Machar is still under house arrest in Juba. In an interview with Radio Tamazuch, General Cirillo explained why this alliance was made. He said government forces had attacked SPLA-IO bases and driven them out of cantonment area near Juba. Because of that, NAS and SPLA-IO decided to join and to defend themselves. Cirillo also rejected the idea that this alliance is against peace. He said, "We are not attacking, we are defending ourselves. The government is the one carrying out attack." He added that all political detainees must be released, including Dr. Riek Machar. When asked about the Tumani peace talk that took place in Nairobi, he said his group refused to join because the government was not serious. He said, we are ready for real talk, but not for games. We want round table talk that bring all parties together so we can solve the root cause of conflict in South Sudan. This new alliance between the NAS and SPLA-IO is a big development. It shows that opposition groups are uniting again, especially at a time when government offensive continues. For the people of South Sudan, this means the struggle is not yet over. The question is, will this alliance push the government to sit for true peace, or will it lead to more fighting? The third story is about the international community and the continuous detention of Dr. Riek Machar, hours arrest in Juba. According to the international community, including peace partner, mediator, and foreign government, they are urging President Salva Kiir Mayadi to release Dr. Riek Machar. They warned that keeping Machar detained will only create more tension. If Machar is not allowed to join the peace process before the coming national election, South Sudan may once again fall into civil war. Observers say that South Sudan cannot move forward if one of its main leaders is locked out of the process. The international community is very clear. For peace to succeed, Dr. Riek Machar must be free and he must take part in the talk. The pressure is now on President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Will he release Machar for the sake of peace, or will he continue to block him and risk more conflict? In another top story, Jonglei state political crisis. The speaker accused Governor Riek Cook of misconduct. In September 4, 2025, tension is rising in Jonglei State after the Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly, Amer Ateng Alir, accused Governor Dr. Riek Cook of sexual misconduct and abuse of power. In a message that spread quickly on phone call and social media, Speaker Amir claimed that Governor Riek forced female leader into sexual relationship and punished those who refused him. She also accused the governor of pushing aside other political leaders and ruling the state alone for his own benefit. Well, according to Speaker Amir, he warned that if President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the president of South Sudan, does not act, she will release more evidence and even speak live on Facebook to expose the governor. The allegation is immediately angered the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement, SPLM, in Jonglei. Party officials dismissed the accusation as lies. In a statement dated September 3, acting SPLM Secretary David Anyang said, Speaker Amir was trying to destroy the governor's reputation. The governor has nothing to do with such affair. He is a elder who deserves respect. Anyang said he demanded the speaker withdraw her statement and apologize. If not, he warned the party would take her to court for defamation. The SPLM secretariat also defended Governor Riek Cook, saying he has not reshuffled the administration or made bad decisions since taking office. Instead, they accused the speaker of trying to weaken the revitalized peace agreement, the peace agreement that guided power sharing in South Sudan. The public clash between the speaker and the governor has shocked many in Jonglei, citizens and political observers, worrying that this scandal could create more division in a state already struggling with fragile leadership. With SPLM standing firmly by the governor and Speaker Amir refusing to back down, all eyes are now on President Kiir and national authorities. Will they step in to calm the crisis, or will the fight between state leaders continue to grow? Attempts to contact Speaker Amir Ateng for further comment were not successful. If you are new to this channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my channel. And do not forget to hit the notification, so when I upload a new video, you can be able to get it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.